Mr. Sareshwala, the Prime Minister's visit, certainly a big highlight as far as India and India's, as far as progress is concerned and vaccine development is concerned. It certainly sends out a message to the world as well. We have been putting out details of the 4 global vaccines who've published their result after phase 3 clinical trials. But now, with the Prime Minister's visit, matters are only going to intensify as far as this race to the vaccine development is concerned.
There are 2 very important things here. First, that it has shown to the world India's preeminent position in the field not only of pharmaceutical, but also in the field of research and development. This shows that India is not at all less than any Western country in doing the research, the preeminent research. So I think that is one segment. And the Prime Minister, see, he understands that there is no cure other than the vaccine. And already these companies have started doing the job. They are at a very advanced stage of coming with that. So I think the Prime Minister's visit is to send a message of reassurance.
And as we speak,
this is typical of Mr. Modi.
As we speak, Mr. Zafar Sareshwala, quick update coming in. The Prime Minister has arrived in Ahmedabad, so we keep a sharp focus on the Prime Minister's movements as well. Getting the live updates on the Prime Minister who's just landed in Ahmedabad. Now he will be leaving for the Zydus facility. Shortly he will be leaving for that facility. Mr. Zafar, you were making a point. Go ahead. The Prime Minister has arrived in Ahmedabad. So all eyes on his movements, but you were making a point. Sir.
Yeah. See, the Prime Minister traveling all the way to 3 places is to give a reassurance to the manufacturers also and to the country at large that we will not leave you. I mean, the Prime Minister himself going, taking the stock of the situation. It's not that, and I know particularly, I know very closely, the Cadila pharmaceutical company, which I am from Ahmedabad. I have known Pankaj Patel, his father, and they are one of the best people in this field and in the field of research. So I don't think anybody would have been better than these 3 companies. The Serum Institute in Pune is the company which has come with the maximum vaccine, and same thing with Bharat Serum in Hyderabad. So I think these 3 companies coming with this also gives a message that the country is in safe hands. And the Prime Minister's visit is a reassurance to them as well as to the country. And this is typical of Mr. Modi. He takes the situation directly under his control. So to get the feel of it, what exactly is happening, I think this is what Mr. Modi's visit today in these 3 manufacturing facilities is all about.